Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add friends in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find the Live Pass, Live Today, Play Friends, also PvP. You're gonna find leaks and season, and also you're gonna find limited time events, showdown, and lastly campaigns. Here in the bottom, you're gonna find some sections like my team, auctions, achievements, objectives, and lastly sets. Basically, guys, if you want to add friends on NBA Live Mobile, just go ahead and click on Play Friend, and right here in New Games, you're gonna find a list that includes all of the friends that are playing NBA Live Mobile. As you can see, guys, from here, I don't have any friends. That's why I have this message saying no friends are currently playing NBA Live Mobile. Have your friends join in on the fun? Connect to Facebook to get started. Right here, you're gonna find the friends that are playing NBA Live Mobile. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find the completed games with friends. Basically, guys, in order to have friends on NBA Live Mobile, you need to link your Facebook account. In order to do that, go to settings, and then after that, right here, you're gonna find under preferences, link account, click on it, and then right here, you're gonna find Facebook. Go ahead and click on next link next to Facebook, and then you need to log into your Facebook account, and then it will be linked to your NBA Live Mobile accounts, and from there you can add all of your Facebook friends. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.